What's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are continuing our boat build in our garage. So today we are fixing the transom supports here. So the main thing to use here, guys, is this L bracket here. You need to screw them first so that when you apply the epoxy resin, it's not gonna go anywhere. So just be sure that you put it in place to where you want it to be. Next, of course, is you need to sand the edges of the transom support, and after that I apply epoxy resin with a mix of Cabosil. You can also use epoxy resin with the wood flour mix if that is what is available for you. But for me, I am using Cabosil, fixing the transom support here. So I am also just fiberglassing the other side, because the last time we did the other side. So now we are going to fiberglass the other side of the boat. Need to lay down the fiber mat first to see if it's enough. And once we have everything in place, guys, we put on our epoxy resin and we use the brush to spread it evenly, just like it's just like the process that we did before. Just make sure that everything is soaked in fiberglass resin. Of course, you need to also watch out for the bubbles as well as the dry spots, same as the other video that we have earlier. So just do watch out for those things. Next, we also fiberglass the whole deck this time, and as usual, we also need to check if we have enough fiber mat before we start working. I have my helper here who is very excited to also help out with the boat. Unfortunately, guys, it is starting to really get dark, so I think I need to hurry this fiberglassing the deck thing, otherwise it's gonna be really dark soon and I might not be able to see clearly here. So these are also some things that you need to consider when you're fiberglassing. Make sure that you have enough time of the day to do the fiberglass, because like me, I do it in the afternoon and I ran out of time basically. It's now so dark, can't really see all of the bubbles, guys, so I think I will make a mistake here, but we'll just have to finish this job here and see if we do a good job or not. So these are some of the things that you need to consider when you are doing fiberglass work. Make sure that you have enough time in your hands before doing anything. Otherwise, you're going to be fiberglassing with a flashlight, just like what I did here. Okay guys, so I guess we'll be ending the video here. That's our update for this week. I'll see you again on our next video, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and as usual, stay safe.